Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock a Chevy Traverse. First, the simplest way is to press the unlock button on your key fob. If the fob battery is dead, or you prefer, you can slide out the hidden physical key. This key is designed to manually open the driver's side door. Remember, for electronic systems to work, your vehicle's battery needs at least some charge. These methods provide immediate access to your Traverse, getting you back on the road quickly and efficiently. Beyond the physical key, your Chevy Traverse offers fantastic remote access options. The My Chevrolet mobile app is a powerful tool, letting you unlock your doors from virtually any location with a cellular signal. Similarly, OnStar services provide a direct line to assistance. After a quick verification, they can remotely unlock your vehicle for you. These digital solutions are incredibly handy, especially if you're far from your car or have accidentally locked your keys inside. Just remember, a subscription is usually needed for these services. Sometimes you might face an emergency lockout situation, like a dead key fob or a lost key. In such cases, a professional locksmith is your best friend. They can often create a new key or safely open your door without damage. Many roadside assistance programs also offer lockout services as part of their benefits, providing a quick solution. For future peace of mind, having a spare physical key securely stored can be a real lifesaver, ensuring you're never stranded. To avoid the frustration of future lockouts, a few simple habits can make a big difference. Always make sure you have your key fob with you, and it's wise to keep a spare physical key in a safe, accessible spot. Don't forget to regularly check and replace your key fob battery, typically every 1 to 2 years, to prevent unexpected failures. Maintaining your vehicle's main battery health is also crucial, as a dead battery can disable electronic unlocking systems. Stay prepared and stay unlocked.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.